I'll be back in a few minutes. So I'm going to the supermarket to try and get some milk, coffee, and what else may I get? Milk, coffee, hot chocolate, cereal. I think I said this before. Yeah, it's very close. I don't know if they're open, but I thought I'll take you guys with me. So let's go see what we get in the supermarket. I don't really know where me I go right now, you know. I see two possibilities. I see that place, and I see most people heading to that one. And there is this place. I see a lot of people heading to this one, but in cars. And people heading to that one on foot. So I'm gonna use logic because I'm on foot. I'm going to head to the foot one. I don't know what it is. I think there's a cafe there. So I don't know what I'll get there. So let's see. Alright, so I think this is my lucky day because there's a cafe. So that means I can buy myself coffee. It's not exactly what I was looking for because I was looking for a supermarket where I could buy like coffee thingy. But at this point in the morning, I just need coffee. And then I'll do the rest later. So I'll buy a coffee here. If they have a chocolate, I buy for the kids as well. Oh God. Alright, let me do that. I have to cut camera because I think my people want nobody in a dance Swiss. This is a local cafe and there's some pastries. It's a local cafe and the locals are here just sitting down having their drink. They're coming in bit by bit. It's so cool. You see that dog get mischievous? What? Look. Take up my slippers and run out with it. Come back here with it. Come here. Here? Get it. Here. Come here. Here? Here, Tyson. Here? Come here. Hey, come, Tyson. Yeah, so we're gonna have dinner together and we're cooking and the kids are playing games. We don't need a box. You can just. Anita is going to play music. Miss Mora over there is going to make music. Essen is bereit. Ja. Thank you, Nadia. I'm saying thank you, Nadia. Thank you, Darina, for cooking. Thank you. Cheers to Darina.
Bless God.
Darina. Super. We are being spoiled today. We have more food. This is round 2. The meat. We're doing chicken and salad. Yes, Darina is making us fat today, but we're happy about it. So we're gonna eat the final round. So this is chicken, veggies, salad, road. Yeah. Come and see the place just like ciao Darina, danke schön, danke. Ciao Darina. You know what I'm making? Like making video. Thank you. The food was nice. Thank you so much.
I make them.
Ciao, bye Ike.
I have here
Okay.
his jacket and he will cry tomorrow because he's dinosaur.
Okay.
Yeah, you are doing video.
Okay. Okay.
We have it.
Good night, ciao.
Baby shark toot
Baby shark toot toot. Okay. Oh God. That was an adventurous day.
That was nice, yeah. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. He's looking at me and he's doing that.
Tyson is sitting in a cafe. Wow. Hi guys. Today is day 2 of our holiday. And day 2. Today Friday, but yesterday we called day 1. And today is day 2.
Well, we already arrived on Wednesday. So, night.
Yeah, this is the
Third night.
me and David were taking a little walk out in the town of Desenzano, in the old town. Me, David and Tyson, we're looking around. And Tyson? Yeah. So we're just walking around and looking to see if we find some shopping place. Maybe do a little shopping. Though most of the places look closed.
Yes, because I'm feeling like 2, remember? That's not 2 o'clock.
I'm not 2 o'clock yet. Yes, guys. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to eat lunch at Darina's place. So of course I'll film a little bit of that. I think in the beginning of this video I'll show you what we had yesterday. We ate at our place, me and David's place, and today we're eating lunch at Darina's place. Yeah. All right, catch you soon. Tyson. No. 9. Actually 9. Come.